are pretty thick. By the way, this is garlic powder. Oh, this is onion powder.
I'm heavier.
Do it over. Ooh, shit.
Shit.
I need you to shake. Shake. This is the final result.